Hi, today we'll be taking a look at new Great Nature deck featuring Hammsuke from the upcoming Clan Selection Volume 2. Alright, so this deck actually features multiple Excel circle in one turn, and of course we have our favorite Hammsuke back in action. So first of all, we have the new support, Hamuyan. So activate as a Vanguard circle once per turn, counterblast 2, discard 1. From your deck, search for any amount of cards with Hammsuke name with different name of them and call them onto rearguard circle in your front row. So let's say we have let's say we have one Excel circle, so you actually get to counterblast 2, discard 1 to call 3. Next, as a Vanguard after attacking battle, if your opponent's Vanguard is grade 3 and above, discard 2. Reveal the bottom of your deck. If it's a hero, the pencil hero Hammsuke, which is the grade 3, you get to ride it, and during this turn you get drive -1. So rewriting and fill out our board. So we have Hamudon to have additional power and also to increase the soul. And of course pencil hero, which is our main unit for this deck. Next, let's take a look at the grade 2. So we have Hamugoro. When it enters the Vanguard rearguard circle, counterblast 1. Look at top 3 deck or from your deck. Reveal up to 1 card with Hammsuke in name. Add it to your hand and return the rest back to the bottom of the deck in any sequence. So if you were to see any pencil hero, you can actually put it at the bottom to ensure the rewriting. Next, activate as the rearguard once per turn. If you have a Vanguard with Hammsuke name, from a drop zone choose choose 2 unit with Hammsuke name back to bottom deck, and during this turn this unit get plus 3k. So once again you can put a hero to the bottom of the deck. Next we have of course we have the pencil knight, which is needed in this deck, and also Hamugoro to have to increase our hand size and to ensure that we have the correct thing in our drop zone. So for grade 1 we have Hammsuke. Enter the Vanguard circle, discard 1, search for a squire, call it on the rearguard circle and shuffle the deck. And as the rearguard once per turn, activate. If your Vanguard with Hammsuke name, from a drop zone choose 2 unit with Hammsuke name, put the bottom deck and counter charge 1. Alright, the counter charge is very important, and it actually helps us combo to have a hero back to the bottom deck. Hamna for the additional draw, and Squire, which is required in the combo. So mainly our Vanguard will attack like total of 3 drive if nothing goes wrong, so we're going for front trigger since we have a lot of unit in the front row. And that's the basic for this deck, and let's take a look at the gameplay. Alright, we'll go as the second player's first grade 3 turn. So stand and draw. So we'll write Hamuyan and Excel 2 to draw 1. So I can choose to counterblast 2 to discard 1. So let's do it. Counterblast 2. We will discard 1. So we have 2 empty, so we can call 2 units of different name. Like this. So at this point of time I can actually choose to activate the effect if I want, to give that unit and this unit power plus 10k. So I'll say let's do it. Power plus 1. So we get power plus 10k and power plus 10k. Next, we activate this skill. So from a drop zone, return 2 unit with Hammsuke in name. Let's say we activate first 2 of them. Bottom of the deck. During this turn, this unit get power plus 3000. Next, this effect, then another 2. Right, we'll try to return as many grade 2 and grade 1 so that we have higher chance of activating Hammsuke skill. Right. Let's go into battle. So first of all, Harmonian will attack. Twin drive. Front trigger. So 1 1 into Vanguard. Second check. Right, so next we can discard 2 cards from our hand. Let's say we go for these 2. Review the bottom of your deck. If it's Hammsuke hero, pencil hero, you can write it. And this turn you get drive -1. So drive -1. Enters the field. Excel 2. Draw 1. Next, since we have both grade 2 and grade 1 in soul, we can actually discard 2. Discard 2. So by discarding 2, we get 1 more Excel. So Excel 2. Draw 1. And so you shouldn't draw 1, you should search first. Grade 2. Grade 1. And since our Vanguard is hero, power plus 3k, power plus 4k. Right, let's continue. Still in the battle phase. So Vanguard attack, single drive, front trigger. And we'll continue the battle. Right, so that's the basic flow for this new Hammsuke deck.